Hello everybody, how are you? And welcome back to Crochet Mart, very smart and unique ideas. We will share creative and inspiring tips for your crocheting. Today's video is all about crochet shirts. So we'll be going over some techniques to consider you to select the perfect design and color scheme for your crocheting. Dear viewers, if you still not subscribe the channel, subscribe now so that you can get all type of new videos for your knowledge. Crochet shirts made with intricate patterns and techniques offer a range of benefits beyond their aesthetic appeal. Here are some benefits of wearing or making crochet shirts. First one is unique designs. Each crochet shirt is often one of a kind, showcasing intricate patterns and design not found in mass production garments. Custom fit can be tailored to fit your specific measurements, ensuring a personalized and flattering fit. Creative outlet. Making crochet shirts allows for personal expressions and creativity, enable you to experiment with different patterns, colors and yarns. Breathability. Crochet fabric is typically lightweight and breathable, making it ideal for warmer weather. Durability. High quality crochet work can result in durable garments that last longer than some store-bought clothes. Soft texture. Many crochet shirts are made from soft yarn that feel gentle against the skin. Versatility. Suitable for various styles and occasions, from casual wear to more formal settings, depending on the design. Eco-friendly. Often made from natural fibers, crochet shirts can be a more sustainable clothing option. Thermal insulation can provide warmth in cooler weather, especially when made with thicker yarns. Adjustable. Many crochet patterns can be adjusted to include or exclude elements like sleeves or collars. Skill development. Crocheting a shirt enhances your crafting skills and can be a satisfying hobby. Personal satisfaction. There's a unique sense of achievement, a pride in wearing something you have made yourself. Cost effective. Depending on the yarn and pattern, making your own crochet shirts can be more affordable than buying a designer piece. Gift potential. Handmade crochet shirts make thoughtful personalized gift for friends and family. Layering. Great for layering over other outfits, adding texture and visual interest. Adjustable fit. Many crochet shirts can be adjusted to accommodate changes in body size or shape. Artistic expression. Showcases your artistic side and allows for experimentations with different techniques and colors. Comfort. Can be made with soft and flexible yarn that offer comfort and ease of movement. One kind of a kind. The unique nature of crochet means you won't find anyone else with the same shirt. The process of crocheting can be relaxing and meditative, helping to reduce stress. Cultural connection. Crocheting can connect you to various cultural traditions and techniques from around the world. Adjustable design. Patterns can be modified to include different stitches techniques, colors, and patterns, allowing for endless customization. Health benefits. Engaging in crochet can improve fine motor skills and hand-eye coordination. Seasonal adaptation. Easy to adapt for different seasons by